Hello viewers, are you looking to source card products directly from China factory? Are you searching a reliable supplier for your printing press, companies, corporate office, hotels and business organization for bulk orders of gift cards, notebooks, calendars, greetings cards, business cards and many of other printing products? Then trust me, you don't need to find any supplier. You can directly import from our China factory. We will provide you A to Z total support. We will ensure you about our customized design, 3D design, competitive factory price, reliable shipping solution, hassle-free purchase, and complete customer support. And our product is gift cards, gaming cards, Christmas cards, birthday cards, Father's Day cards, Mother's Day cards, wedding cards, business cards, greetings cards, notebook, calendar, all kind of packaging products. We export our products directly from our China factory and serve client in the USA, UK, Australia, Canada, Korea, India, Bangladesh, Poland, many of other countries. Our experienced 3D designer team can customize your requirement. And you are always welcome to visit our Shenzhen Popup Technology Company Limited. For more information or to place an order, please contact us via WhatsApp and WeChat. Thank you.